Mastering formal permissions. The power of may. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another interesting video. Today, we will be delving deep into the world of modal verbs, focusing on the use of may for formal permission. By the end of this video, you will understand how and when to use may to sound more formal and polite in English conversations. May is a modal verb used in English to express various things, one of which is formal permission. It's a powerful tool to make your English sound more professional and respectful, especially in formal settings. Here's an example. May I come in? This sentence is more formal and polite compared to, can I come in? Key point. May is used for formal permission. When using may for formal permission, the structure is fairly straightforward. We start with may, followed by the subject. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and then the base form of the verb. Here's a common structure. May I, base verb, or may you, base verb. For instance, may I leave early? May you please pass the salt? Key point. Remember the sentence structure. May plus subject plus base verb. To use may in the negative form, you would say may not or mayn't. However, please note that mayn't is rarely used in modern English. Here's an example. You may not enter the room without permission. When responding to a request with may, the formal responses are usually yes, you may, or no, you may not. For instance, may I borrow your book? Yes, you may. Key point. Understand the negative form and formal responses. In conclusion, the modal verb may is a vital part of English, especially when it comes to asking for formal permission. It allows you to sound more professional, polite, and respectful. Remember the sentence structure and use it in your daily conversations. As always, practice is key. So, keep practicing and make may your new ally in English. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!